gonna slow this Coca-Cola with mint sauce. But how many?
No, don't put it in there.
I'm right now, just kidding.
Why do you guys want to do this?
Because it's so much fun. We never done it before,
And they've done it on other videos.
Yeah.
So you want to see how it feels?
Yeah. And we want to see if it explodes to the moon. Right there.
Where's the moon?
Right there.
All right.
Let's do it.
How many are you going to put in there?
10.
You going to put 10 of them? Uh-oh. Are you going to put the tap back on?
No.
You just going to let it explode up?
Yeah.
I think you should put the top back on.
Okay.
No, hold on.
I wanted to do it.
Hold on. You guys ready? You're going to make a goal. You
I'm gonna want to.
guys ready? No, hold on. Okay, grab 2, Lucas. And Leah, grab 2.
Okay.
On the floor?
No.
Anywhere, it doesn't matter. Are you guys really going to do this?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Lucas, you're going to put the top back on?
Yeah.
Put 4 in there as soon as I say go.
Okay.
We want to count down?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Lift off. Oh man, that exploded. Did you guys? That was fun.
Again.
Yeah, let's do it again.
How are you gonna do it again? It only works once. Put more. Shake it up. Put the top back on.
Okay. No, I'm gonna wait.
Put more. That's it. Hurry up before they dissolve.
Let me see.
Shake it up.
Then open it.
No.
So it only worked once, huh?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
It was fun explosion? We didn't quite make it to the moon, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No!
What's that?